In the event of a wind turbine breaking down, we would like to navigate to the right turbine using a map, benefiting from our Esri platform in this. We would like to evaluate what is going on in the turbine, use any sensor information or data we have. We're using the PI system for that. What we are doing here is actually to bring the data into the line of business. And you can add location to this, as Peter mentioned. Which turbine is actually down on this specific wind farm? Well, let's mark them red. Then everybody knows what is going on. Which turbines should we address and visit during the day? And we can go even further. We can click the map and open CoreSite directly. Then we have added time into the equation. And from this, our technical support guys can actually track back in time following some of our control and sensor data just up to a breakdown and see what was actually going on. He is using the map to navigate through the PI system and finding the information right away. Instead of him spending a lot of time going through all 1800 wind turbines in the data model, finding the right location, he's actually just using a map for the navigation. Yeah, what we're after here is actually the clickable version of doing the integration instead of the hardcore programming, right? Spending 300 or 400 hours in that. So we would like to prove that we're able to do the clickable integration instead. And putting out whatever information we have available through data for the line of business. We're doing that through various dashboards, and the vision is to expand this and build a lot of dashboards using standard tools like CoreSite and so on. And from that we'll give the line of business full access to whatever data source we have accessible within the company. And that allows us to collaborate across the platforms, the data platforms we have in the company.